Hello, little artist. Today we're drawing one of my favorite characters, Olaf. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna start with a little line towards the top of our paper right here. And this line is just gonna be a horizontal line just like this. The next thing, I wanna go down both sides, but first I wanna do kind of like a curvy line on each corner of the first line I did. Now I want to extend those lines on the left and extend that line on the right. And the next thing I want to do is here in the middle, right here, I want to put a half a circle, just like this. That's his nose. And now we're going to close his nose with a kind of like a curved line. And inside of that, I want to put here 3 lines for the nose. Okay, the next I'm gonna do 1 line to the left and 1 line to the right. And next we're gonna do kind of like his mouth here. So we're gonna start doing his cheeks with 2 curving lines. And from here I'm gonna do down and down. So let's just extend these lines, okay? So we're gonna do down here and down to the right. And now I'm gonna just join these 2 together, just like that. Okay, now let's finish this face by doing the mouth, kind of like the cheek line here, or like the smile. And I'm gonna start doing this to the left. Okay, so we're gonna go down and then a little round and to the right and up, just like that. And then now let's do the teeth Olaf have here, just 1 single teeth. It's really funny. And to finish his face, let's continue with the eyes right here. Okay, so the eyes, it comes from his nose and it just have a circle. And let's do the same to the other side, to the right, just like that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is on the top, I'm just going to go again with my marker a couple times. So the top of the eyes looks a little more black. The next is going to be another half a circle inside of those circles I did, just like this. And 1 more circle inside of that one. Teeny tiny circle on the top. And we are not going to color that one, okay? So I'm going to start coloring black, filling with black, and remember to leave that little circle we did at the end just white. There. Okay, now let's put here up here his kind of like his hair, and it's just little branches. Okay, now we're ready to continue with the body. I want to start doing here, it's kind of like a circle, like a two snowballs we're gonna put here. Okay, so I'm starting on the left side with a curvy line and 1 more on the right side, but that one is longer. Okay, I'm starting with a curvy line, just like this. And the next is gonna be kind of like a diagonal lines that goes to the left, 2 lines. And now 2 more that goes down, so 1 and 2. And I'm gonna do 2 more that goes again to the left, little diagonal. And from here I want to start doing the fingers. So let's just do kind of like rectangles here, and they can be a little crooked. They don't have to be perfect because they are made with of a branch of a tree, so you don't have to do it perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna finish here his top part of the body, or his chest, and I'm just gonna join these 2 lines here together. Okay, now I want to do the bottom of his body. And so here I'm gonna do little diagonal line, and now we're gonna start going down and around and circling back to that line on the right. And the last step will be here, the feet. So that is kind of like a square shape, but very round corners. So I did one, and let's do the second one just like that. Okay, now he has 3 buttons, so let's do one here, and the lines I'm gonna do it like a little bumpy, like curvy a little bit. Okay, it's not a perfect circle. Okay, now I'm gonna continue with the arm right here, right, like the same length, but this arm is gonna be pointing up. This is pointing down, it's gonna be pointing up. Okay, same length. Okay, let's begin here. So I want to start doing one line that goes up, and let's do here the same but little line, and I'm gonna put a detail here, like a kind of like a piece of the branch, and I want to continue up to match the same length. And now I want to do the same fingers here, right here. Okay, so let's do 1, 2, 3, and last one here, kind of like the thumb, is 4. Perfect. So we're finished. Oh, no, wait. We have a last detail, the eyebrows. So one eyebrow here and one here. Now we're finished. You did such a good job. Now let's go for my favorite part. Let's color. Great job! If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching!